How to turn off read receipts on Viber. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off read receipts on Viber. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Viber application on your device. Now tap on the More icon at bottom right corner of the screen, and on this section you have to select the settings to access the settings section. Among this option, you have to choose the privacy option and select the read receipts option. If you don't find the read receipts option, simply in this updated version of Viber, you will see send scene status option. Simply in order to turn off read receipts on Viber, you have to uncheck mark the send scene status option. If it is check mark in this way, you have to simply tap on it once and then uncheck mark it in order to turn off read receipts on Viber, so that this settings will hide other seen status from you. So that is how we turn off read receipts on Viber. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.